Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will know how to make a free online store using Odoo. Before starting, subscribe to Code with Omar's channel. So don't waste any time, let's get started. First, open your PC desktop and open any browser you want. Then search for odoo.com. And open first link. Then click on Start Now button. Then choose your website type. I choose e-commerce store. Then click on Continue. And write your name. Then write your website name. I write codewithomar.com. Then write your email address. Then click on Start Now button. It's successful. Then wait. After it's open, click Let's Do It button. Then select what you want to start with. I select Online Store. Then select what type of product you sell on your website. I select Shopping Mall. Then select your main objective. I select Sell More. Then select your color palette. It's very important of you online store theme. Okay, if you want to upload your logo, you upload, but I did not upload it. Then select how many pages you want to add in your website. I select About Us, Services, Privacy Policy, Pricing, and Shop is always checked. Then click on Build My Website button. Then choose your catalog. I choose this one. Then choose your favorite product page. After choosing, click on it. Then choose your website theme. You can scroll down and see more theme by clicking More Themes button. Then scroll down and choose your favorite theme. I will choose this one. Then it's start making the website. Wow, it's beautiful. They're all I need to make. You can also scroll down and see. Let's take a tour of my website. You can also edit the website by clicking on Edit button in top right corner. You can edit it unlimited. You can edit header, footer, body, background, theme, color, all. You can also edit this H1. I write Welcome to codewithomar.com. If you have a logo, you edit it. I don't have a good logo, so I can't edit it. You can also edit the paragraph. I write budget-friendly electronics. And write bestseller. You can also add product in future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.